Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Vlog. So my dear student, today our question is if a plus root over of a is equal to 4, then find the value of a plus 4 over root over of a. So student, in this video I will tell you how to find the value of a plus 4 over root over of a from this algebraic expression. So my dear student, our given algebraic expression is a plus root over of a is equal to 4. So student, to find the value of a plus 4 over root over of a from this algebraic expression, so only we have to put the value of 4 in this place. Okay. So my dear student, we can write in here a plus, and in this fraction, so in the place of 4 we have to write in here the value of 4 is a plus root over of a. So we can write in here, in the place of 4 we can write in here a plus root over of a, and in the place of denominator again we have to write root over of a. Okay student. So my dear student, after that again we have to write a plus, place of numerator is a plus root over of a, and in the place of denominator here is root over of a. Okay, so we can write from this fraction a over root over of a plus plus, if you multiply plus with plus, okay, then you get plus. Okay, so we have to write in here plus sign. Okay, and after that this by this, and after plus we have to write this by this. Okay, that means we can write in here root over of a over root over of a. Okay student. So my dear student, after that again we have to write a plus, and in the place of a we can write, in the place of a we have to write a, that means root over of a into root over of a. Okay, if you multiply root over of a with root over of a, then you get a. So in the place of a we can write root over of a into root over of a over, again we have to write root over of a in the place of denominator, plus. So my dear student, in this fraction numerator and denominator both term are same, so that's why if you divide same term then you get 1, so we have to write in here 1. Okay student. So my dear student, so in this fraction in the place of denominator, so here is root over of a into root over of a, and in the place of denominator here is root over of a, so we can cancel root over of a from numerator and denominator. Okay, so after that again we have to write a plus, so here is root over of a, so we have to write in here root over of a plus 1. Okay student. So again we have to put the value of a plus root over of a in this algebraic expression. Okay, the value of a plus root over of a is 4, so we can write in here 4 plus 1, so it will be 5. Okay student, the value of a plus 4 over root over of a will be 5. This is our answer. Okay student. So my dear student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.